Have you ever wondered how much you can withdraw from your Neon account at once? It's a common question, especially for those who need to access larger amounts of money. In this video, we'll dive into the Neon withdrawal limit and explore some frequently asked questions. Imagine you're planning a big trip and you need to withdraw a significant amount of cash. You're at the ATM, ready to make the withdrawal, only to find out there's a limit. Frustrating, right? Well, let's make sure you're prepared. Neon withdrawal limit. The Neon withdrawal limit is, insert actual limit here. This means you can withdraw up to, insert limit, from your Neon account at any given time. However, it's important to note that this limit might vary depending on your location and the specific ATM you're using. Can I increase my withdrawal limit? While Neon doesn't offer a way to increase your standard withdrawal limit, there are a few options to consider. Multiple withdrawals. You can make multiple smaller withdrawals throughout the day to get around the limit. ATM network. Some ATM networks might have higher withdrawal limits. Contact Neon support. If you have a specific need for a higher withdrawal, you can always reach out to Neon's customer support for assistance. What happens if I exceed the withdrawal limit? If you attempt to withdraw more than the limit, your transaction will likely be declined. You will receive a notification explaining the reason for the decline. Are there any fees associated with withdrawals? Neon typically doesn't charge fees for withdrawals from ATMs within their network. However, fees might apply for withdrawals from ATMs outside their network. It's always a good idea to check with your ATM provider for any additional charges. Can I withdraw funds internationally? Yes, you can withdraw funds internationally using your Neon card. However, there might be additional fees and exchange rate charges. It's best to check with Neon's terms and conditions for more information. Additional tips. Plan ahead. If you know you'll need to withdraw a large amount of money, plan ahead and make multiple withdrawals if necessary. Check ATM availability. Before heading out, ensure there are ATMs in your area that accept your Neon card. Security first. Always be mindful of your surroundings when using ATMs and protect your PIN number. Understanding the Neon withdrawal limit is essential for managing your finances effectively. By knowing your options and planning ahead, you can avoid any surprises and ensure a smooth withdrawal experience. Remember, if you have any questions or concerns, don't hesitate to contact Neon's customer support. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.